Welcome back, introducing the Note 20 Ultra 5G. So this is an unboxing video. I have already unboxed this. It's been a month I have been using the Note 20 Ultra 5G, but I haven't made an unboxing video, and I thought today that why not make an unboxing video and then leave a review regarding the Note 20 Ultra 5G. So remember, this Note 20 Ultra 5G comes in two prices. The one is it comes at $1,299, which is a storage of 128 GB. Another comes at a price of $1,449 at a storage of 512 GB and RAM of 12 GB. Both have the same RAM of 12 GB. It's just the difference of the storage. So you can also add up the extra storage. I'll tell you how you can do that. And before getting inside the box, let's unbox the box and see what we got. So as you unbox the box, we see first, this case is not present here. Usually in American versions, they provide, in some countries they provide a case, in some countries they don't provide a case. So they provided a case to me, and this cell phone is a Snapdragon. So the Note 20 Ultra comes in two versions, that's the Snapdragon and the Exynos, and Snapdragon 865 Plus is a lot better than the Exynos. So whenever you are going to buy, make sure you're buying the Snapdragon version and make sure you're buying the 5G version, not the simple one. So in the box, what you get are a case usually, and your cell phone, which is open now, but I told you I have been using it, and some paperwork inside, and the SIM card. I don't know what you call it. You exit the card with this one. So in here, what you get usually, you get a charger adapter, which I have already got it, a charger adapter and a C cable charging port. And so this is what you are going to get: C cable charging port, a charger adapter, and the headphone. So these headphones are similar to the S10. They have provided the same AKG the headphones. They come in handy with the S20 Ultra, but in some boxes, in some review, you won't find they won't provide the headphones. But in this case, we have got the headphones, and you have got some ear tips, extra ear tips, like four of them, like 2 pairs. And this box came empty. Usually they put in the kind of the tips or the pins of the S Pen. The tips of S Pen, usually when they get too much rubbed up and they get messy, so you can get extra tips. But this time they haven't provided, but I don't know why they are putting a box inside. Maybe they are providing in some countries, but not in some countries. And you got these. This is it. All you're going to get in the box. So coming to the cover, this is a pretty good cover, like a plastic made cover. But the problem with the white cover is that with time they get messy. Let me show you how they get messy. So this is my iPhone 8 cover. This was when I bought it. It was similar to this one. This was similar to this one, but along with the time it get messy like this one, so you won't like it, like too much dusty, or maybe any reason could be there. But I don't know, you have to change it time by time in order to have a good cover. So this is, you're going to place a cover on it. And when you're looking at the cell phone itself, it comes in 3 colors. It comes in the what you call the Mystic Bronze color, but I have got the white, white Mystic white color. It comes in 3 colors: Mystic Bronze, Mystic White, and Mystic Black. It has a stainless steel, foam total, and the Gorilla Glass Victus. It's not Gorilla Glass 5 or Gorilla Glass 6. It's Gorilla Glass Victus. So taking aside these boxes, and on this side, on the one side, you have got nothing. It's totally clean. But on the right side, you have got the volume rocker and the the power button. On the upper side, most people think it's a it's a microphone, but it's not a microphone. It's a speaker. It's a small speaker comparatively. Because you can hear sounds on both sides. You have the SIM card inserter. You insert the SIM card in here, and the memory card. I'll show you how. And on the bottom side, you have got the microphone in here. There is a microphone on this side and a C-type cable charger, the charger inserter, and the microphone on the bottom side. And you get an S Pen together, so just click it and you get your S Pen outside, and you can see that. So this is your S Pen. So the good thing about the S Pen is it helps us with the writing, but it also helps with the camera. I'll show you the charging with a full review. Another video, I'll show you how you can use the S Pen properly. So this is the same white Mystic. If you're getting a white Mystic cell phone, so that's the same color. And we're putting the S Pen back in there. Opening up the inserter, you can see that we have just opening it, and we'll see what's inside. So we have got the space for memory card and for the SIM. And remember, for the memory card, you can extend it from 512 GB up to 1 terabyte. So this comes in handy. So I think buying a $1,299 US with this storage of 128 GB is pretty good option, because you can expand the storage according to your needs. So this is a great option, which is not with the iPhone, not usually given in the iPhone. For example, if you want to compare with the iPhone, I have got my iPhone 12, which is kind of a broken glass on the back side. I just dropped it yesterday. So this is the iPhone 8. So comparing with the size of the iPhone 8, you can see on this side, so how thin, like they look the same, but this one is, like in the width-wise, it's much bigger. And look at the camera bump. It's much harder. Very hard to reveal, like camera bump. You can see the size. Wow. On the front side, you could look at the size. So this is iPhone 8 is much smaller, and I don't think so. This would be a best option to review compared with the iPhone 8 to the Ultra 20. I have the Ultra, the Note 10s, but I'll review it in another video and compare both the 10s and the Note 20 Ultra. So this is the size comparison on how you can. This is a bit heavy, not that much, like just a bit heavy. And one thing more you have to understand, like when you're getting the headphone jacks, it has a common headphone jack as the USB-C cable. Like you're going to insert it on the same port as the charger. I think they have copied the iPhone, because in the iPhone they have the same situation. They have got only one opening for both the charger and the headphones. I think Samsung does copy that. I don't know what you think about this. Make sure to leave a comment on that. Let's further talk about the S20 Ultra. So you have got the 865 plus Snapdragon, Qualcomm Snapdragon, and Adreno 650 GPU inside it, and it has a 5G non-standard NSA sub 6 millimeter wave, and a Bluetooth 5.0 and a Wi-Fi 6. According to, if you're looking at the display, you have got the 6.9-inch display completely. It is an HDR10 plus, and it supports 120 Hz frequency. Talking about the front camera is around 120 megapixel camera. Look at the front camera. It has the same option as it beautifies your face, which is seen in other videos, other Samsung cell phones. But the front camera is 10 megapixel, and it also supports 4K 60p video as well. And talking about the back camera has three main cameras. You have got the upper top camera, which is 12 megapixel f2.2 and 3 millimeter lens in it, and in the middle camera you have got the 108 megapixel camera and f1.8 with 260 millimeter of lens, and the lower camera, which is the 12 megapixel f3.0 and 120 millimeter of lens, and it is also a periscope and a telescope zoom. So they have both the periscope, telephoto, and zoom lens in it, and you also got the laser sensors. So they are great for like a night photography. I'll show you a picture. I will show you the picture comparison and I'll take pictures with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and by using the Canon 80D, which I'm just recording with, I'll compare them and I'll show you how they are different in night photography and day photography. I'll do a great review, and make sure to leave a comment if you want me to do that. And the camera can record, overall the camera can record, if you're going to record a video, it can record 8K 24 FPS, which is 24 frame per second video, and 33 megapixel still photos, and a night mode is great. It also can, you know, store the slow motion, which is 960 FPS, which is frame per second, with 720 pre, which is the recording. So we're going inside the cell phone. So as we are inside the cell phone, we'll see the S Pen, and we'll see how it works. So as we got the S Pen out, it have got 3 options. We go for a note, create note, and in note you can see we can write anything. For example, if I'm going to say, okay, go back, and we got the note pen, create, and we're gonna write subscribe tags, sorry, okay, break it down there, tags schooling. I'm pretty fast at writing, I don't think so, this is pretty good. Okay, subscribe tags schooling, and make sure to do that. This is how the note pen works. This is kind of, I don't think so it's good for writing. Okay, let me try this. For example, if somebody is taking class notes, let me try this. Hey, today is a great day. Well, it's pretty fast. Like, it feels like you're writing on a piece of paper. But the problem is, like, the big wording, you cannot write small, but it's great for taking notes in a class. And I think they have improved with the S Pen. And the one thing more with the S Pen is they have provided, when you're opening up a camera, you can change up the, for example, we're going to back camera, and you can change the, you can change the options by just clicking the pen button and going like this. I'm sorry. Okay, changing it. Okay, just click it. Okay, you have seen it first, or it happened first. It's a new cell phone, that's why it's making a mistake. And you can also take a picture with just a click, and that way you can do a lot better with this one. Another best thing regarding the Samsung Note 20 Ultra is the sound. I'm not talking about the sound quality, but I'm talking about the sound. For example, if you go to tags, my channel, we write tags to schooling, and you go there, and for example, if you select my recent video, like regarding Apple glasses, so make sure that the iPhone has a problem. It doesn't have that much sound. It has a good quality. The other Samsung, the previous Samsung S10 phone has the sound, but not that much as this one. So this has pretty much sound. Like, you can watch a movie sitting down, and even your air conditioner or fan is playing on. A great screen for watching YouTube. I think this is perfect.
It seems Apple feels so much will it cost. Apple Inc. has confirmed the arrival of another next.
So this is the sound quality. You have got 2 microphones. The one is on the bottom side, and one on the top side. This is a small microphone, and it is a good sound, but not great sound quality. It's a normal sound quality, but I think Samsung wins in sound compared to with the iPhone, because iPhone has really low sound. So you're kind of watching YouTube video or anything in an environment, you won't be able to hear that much comparatively using this phone. So this is all about the new S20 Ultra. If you think you like the review, please make sure, this is my first review in hand. If you think you have liked this video, please make sure to hit a thumbs up, like, and subscribe this channel, and make sure you leave a comment, so that way I feel motivated that I should create more. Keep visiting Tags Schooling.